What's up everybody? So today I'm going to be recreating a Mihlali in tutorial. Now this is the one where she did the natural glow no makeup look. So we want to lie to the people thinking that no, this is how I woke up. But in fact it's just a few beauty secrets that can really just bring a natural glow to you even though it's makeup. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned. So we are gonna watch a tutorial and then we're gonna see how she created the look.
So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this no makeup look. Let us lie to these niggas. This video was extremely highly requested, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I filled in my brows in this tutorial because I went with a much more natural brow look.
Okay, so she starts with her eyebrows and she's using the MAC eyeshadow in the color Espresso. So luckily I also have it, so this is the one.
I obviously used my favorite product for filling in my brows, which is my MAC eyeshadow in the shade Espresso. And to apply the powder, I'm using this very thin angled brush from NYX. I felt like this brush really helped me.
So I'm going to use this angled brush, and this one I got it from Decay. So it's the angled brush E215. You'll have to excuse my voice, guys. I was sick this past week, so I am currently recovering.
To conceal my brows, I'll be using my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey.
So she's concealing her brows with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Warm Honey, and we are the same shade. So let's do this.
You really don't have to do this look since it is a no makeup look, but I can't stand incomplete or messy looking brows, so I just couldn't skip this step.
Okay.
And of course you will blend that out with a flat blending brush. I'll be using the same concealer to conceal my lids just to cover up any discoloration.
So just bring the concealer down to your lids. Okay, Mihlali. May have concealed maybe a bit too much.
And I'm going to be using my favorite drugstore primer.
She's using this primer, the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, so just gonna go with that.
I don't think there is any other drugstore primer that's better than this one. If you guys do have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix foundation with my NYX.
So for foundation, she's going in with her MAC Studio Fix Fluid. So we have the same foundation, and I do not have the NYX Illuminator, but I'll use my Revlon liquid illuminator. So we're just gonna combine these two products together.
Liquid illuminator just to give my skin that natural glow, you know, because we are wearing no makeup. I'm using my flat blending brush.
And then we're going to go in with the Illuminator. Okay, I'm gonna take my flat brush and start blending that in.
From Sigma Cosmetics. And yes guys, I did go back to the Studio Fix. It is honestly, we just have a, you know, a long-term relationship. It's maybe a love-hate relationship, I should say, because as much as it does oxidize and that does sort of irritate me about the foundation, at the end of the day, it is the only foundation that actually really does match my skin tone, and it's the only foundation that I don't have to wear concealer with because the coverage is so good. So it really is my all-time favorite. To highlight my face, I'll be using...
Okay, Mihlali is going fast. Okay, well, the video is fast forwarded, so we're trying.
My LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'd usually mix this with a slightly lighter shade, but since I...
Okay, so now she's highlighting with her LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey.
I am trying to go for a natural look. I'm using a concealer that isn't that much of a lighter shade than my skin tone, and I'll be blending this out with my Real Technique makeup sponge, which I am currently obsessed with. This sponge is so amazing, you guys. I'm really glad that I finally got one.
I don't have the Real Technique sponge, but hey, this comes close, okay? This is a beauty sponge that I got at Decay. I'm just gonna go in with that and start blending.
If you want to get one, you can get it at Clicks.
The sponge is the bone. Wow, it really gets underneath your eyes. Oh god.
To set my concealer, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier powder. We're not necessarily baking since it is a natural makeup look. You don't want to look very caked.
Okay, I don't have the Laura Mercier, but I'm going to use my Yardley Absolute translucent powder. And I'm just going to take my sponge.
Now to contour my face, I'm using a cream concealer today. This is my LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And the reason why I'm using a cream concealer instead of my powder palette is because I want to...
So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in Beautiful Bronze.
Have a natural glow, and I feel like that is best achieved with cream-based products. As you can see, I'm using a dabbing motion to blend instead of dragging my concealer out. I don't want it to spread too far, so this gives me more control. The blush I'm going in with today is...
Okay, I'm still blending Mihlali, so... Okay, so... You heard it, guys, you want to dab. You do not want to drag it.
Obviously my favorite blush, which is the MAC Gingerly. You guys know the drill, this blush.
Okay, so I'm also gonna go in with the same blush, MAC, in the color Gingerly.
Which is literally in every single one of my tutorials. And for mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara.
So she's using her Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I actually have it, but it's not with me right now. So I'm gonna use my Revlon Dramatic Definition.
This is the Sculpting Volume Mascara. I used Essence mascaras for the longest time before I got my hands on Maybelline mascaras, and they are really amazing, very reasonable mascaras. So if you are a beauty on a budget, I definitely would recommend Essence mascaras.
If you do not have eyelashes, guys, this mascara does the most. It will bring them out really.
Which is the MAC Global Glow and the Wet n Wild Precious Pearls. A lot of people ask me where they can get.
I don't have the MAC highlighter, but I do have the Wet n Wild in Regular Glow, which is also Precious Petals, the same one that she's using. And fan brush, of course.
Wet n Wild products. These are available at selected Click stores.
You guys already know
with a highlight glow. You want a natural glow.
This is my favorite highlight.
As you can see, I'm highlighting the highest points of my face as per usual. Now to set my face, I'm using my MAC Fixing Makeup Spray. Look at that skin. It's just glowing. Now.
And I also have the Max Fix Plus setting spray, so we're just gonna tie the look together.
Now for my lips, I'm going in with my NYX Full Throttle lipstick in the shade Kiss It Dust, and my Essence Days lip gloss. I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but all the products I used will be listed in the description box.
So I don't have the Full Throttle one, so I'm gonna use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So this one is a bit lighter than the one that she's using.
And that is basically it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to get.
And then I'm gonna use my Essence Shine 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 lip gloss. What a name. What a name.
Give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thanks for watching. Mwah.
And we are done. Guys, how did I do? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope this was really fun for you. It was actually really pretty easy, like it wasn't too difficult to follow. So yeah, before I close out today's video, I would like to give a subscriber shout out to Decay. So thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you would like a shout out, you know what to do. Hit the red button down below and it could be you one of these days. So please like the video if you liked it. Comment down below what other looks you guys want to see, because I want to give you guys what you want, okay? And also please subscribe. I love you guys so much. I've been receiving so much love and people telling me they're watching my videos, so that really, it warms my heart. So thank you, thank you, thank you, and may your day be ever flawless as your makeup.